Ready to unleash your visual stories onto the Googleverse. First up, Google Drive. Head to drive.google.com and make sure you're logged into your Google account. See that new button on the left? Give it a click. Choose File Upload if you have individual images, or Folder Upload if you want to upload a whole bunch at once. A window will pop up, letting you browse your computer, find the image or images you want to upload, select them, and hit Open. Google Drive will start uploading your images. You'll see a little progress indicator down here. Once they're uploaded, they'll appear right in your Drive. Now, let's jump over to Google Photos. Go to Photos.google.com and again, make sure you're logged in. In the top right corner, you'll find an Upload button. Click it. You can either choose directly from your computer or even import straight from your Google Drive if you've already uploaded them there. If you choose computer, the same File Explorer window pops up. Find your images, select them, and click Open. Google Photos will then upload and back up your images automatically. Boom, there they are, safely stored and ready to be shared. A quick tip: under Settings in Google Photos, you can choose between Storage Saver, which compresses your images slightly, and Original Quality if you want to keep them exactly as they are. But remember, it will consume more storage space. And that's all there is to it. Now you can confidently upload and manage your images on Google. Go forth and create.